Tino, let's play.
Let's have a fun. Ha ha, you missed.
No, I did not.
A peaceful jungle clearing at sunset. The kids are excitedly waiting for the Adhan to break their fast. Suddenly, a distressed bird flaps its wings and chirps frantically at them. Then the bird started pointed at one direction, trying to tell them something. The kids looked worried. Safa listens and gasps. A family of deer is lost and starving, said Safa.
Great. I was just about to eat. I've been fasting whole day, and this is the last thing I want.
Calm down, Omar. Do you not remember? Ramadan is about helping others. Let's go.
The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "He is not a believer whose stomach is full while his neighbor is hungry."
A dense jungle path under fading sunlight.
I will guide you.
Safa calls out to jungle animals for clues.
The animals say the deer went this way.
A spooky cave, just what I needed. I am really losing my patience. Almighty Allah, help me, please.
Trust in Allah, Omar. We'll be fine. You love to help others.
The team discovers hoofprints leading to a dark cave.
Do not lose your hope. Allah will help us.
Yes, Mother. Allah is great.
Here, I found them. A mother deer and her fawns are trapped behind fallen rocks. They look weak.
Great work, Amina. Do not worry about the rocks, though. These rocks are heavy, but I got this. Bismillah.
Be careful, Omar. I tried, but those rocks are really heavy. May Allah help you.
Jazakallah. Tino, may Allah will help us all so we can help these poor animals.
Almost there. Just a little more. Good work, team. You have done a great efforts.
I am a little monkey, can pick only little stones, a brave monkey.
Just push that stone, Omar, so I pull the big one.
Here you go, Zaid. Be careful.
Bismillah. Be careful, boys.
The kids bring out their food and share it with the deer. The deer eat happily. The jungle glows with warmth and barakah.
Alhamdulillah, look how happy they are. Thanks, Allah, choosing us to help deer.
You are right, Safa. Sharing is part of Ramadan's blessings. May Allah accept our good deed.
Tonight, we all break our fast together. Am I right, Omar? Let's make our guest happy.
Please join me. I have some very tasty food. You will love it. Take some.
The deer bow their heads to the mother deer was showing gratitude.
My dear friends, I would like to thank you with hidden golden flower.
Subhanallah, it's beautiful. This is the rare Baraka blossom. Jazakallah.
Wow. I'm glad we helped. And thank you so very much for such a great gift.
Kindness always brings rewards in ways we never expect.
The kids return to their iftar table, hearts full of joy. Ramadan is not just about fasting, but about sharing, kindness, and helping those in need.